Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Walmart grocery haul to share. It's really not that big. This is more of like grab a few meals and filler haul. So let's get started. I'm going to start with all the code and frozen items first. A blue bonnet, margarine sticks. I need this for cookie making, so pick this up. Connor likes these cheese heads combo pack. It has sharp cheddar cheese and beef sticks. He likes these for after school snack, so grab those. The Great Value mild cheddar, I'm going to use this for chili cheese tots and breakfast quesadillas. A market side Santa Fe style salad with chicken. I love this salad. It's one of my favorites. Picked up one of those. Nathan's hot dogs. These are the best hot dogs. This is the bun length skinless beef franks. They're a little more pricier. We don't care to have the bar S from time to time, but sometimes we like to, you know, get the $5 Nathan hot dogs. So we got those today. 2% milk, a gallon. Some breakfast items. I got some hash brown sticks from Great Value. We really like these. Got some Great Value buttermilk biscuits for breakfast. Got a Tennessee Pride mild sausage roll. Our favorite sausage by far. I did get some Great Value tater tots. And these are going to be for chili cheese tots. And we'll divide this 2-pound bag into two. Make like a side for like say cheeseburgers. And larger portion of the bag will be for chili cheese tots. I did grab a Smithfield roasted garlic and herb pork loin for dinner one night. The price on that was not too bad. It's £1.50. Yeah, I'm going to throw that in the crock pot. 2 ground beefs. One's going to be for cheeseburgers and the other one is going to be for hamburger helper. Few more frozen items. The Great Value fully cooked chicken nuggets. In the past, I would buy only Tyson, but these are cheaper, and the reason why I've been purchasing these lately is Connor says they taste like Burger King nuggets, and he really likes these ones. He usually has these like after school or on nights that maybe he doesn't want to eat what I fix for dinner, which, you know, kids are like that sometimes. Fed is best. So yeah, chicken nuggets. And these McCain Smiles. So he'll have these, what are these? Mashed potato bites, like shapes, but they're little smileys. And he likes to have these with the chicken nuggets. And then I got the Great Value Homestyle Meatballs. This is 2 pounds. This will feed us 2 meals. I plan on making barbecue meatballs in the crock pot one day with whatever sides I decide. And the other half will be either for barbecue meatballs again one night, or meatballs like in marinara sauce for meatball subs. Like the Subway sandwich? Yeah. I haven't decided yet, but this will make us 2 meals, which is not bad. This is under $8 and it makes us 2 meals. There will always be a meal plan in the description box, so definitely check that out. And I also talk about the meals that we're going to be having. I believe there's about 8 meals within this haul, and this was $100 and something. I cannot remember the exact total because there was other items in with this haul that I'll share another time. That's why I don't know the exact price of the food items. Picked up some hamburger buns from Great Value brand. Some Great Value hot dog buns. Obviously one night we'll have cheeseburgers and one night we're having the Nathan's hot dogs. I needed some sugar for obviously sugar purposes like baking and coffee, stuff like that. And Kool-Aid. So I picked up 2 packages of Kool-Aid, watermelon and blue raspberry lemonade. I have a couple other flavors up in the cabinet, so I just wanted to grab a couple of our favorites to add with it. Snacky items, the Goldfish Flavor Blasted Extra Cheesy Pizza Goldfish. This is Connor's new favorite. He likes the extra cheesy ones, but the pizza flavored ones are his favorite right now. So we picked up those. Got some s'mores Pop-Tarts. This one is my personal favorite. Connor, his favorite is cookies and cream, which he has some of those already. I did get 2 of these rice-a-roni. This is their creamy 4-cheese ones. Connor also likes this for quick grabbing. He can grab this. He can do the microwave by himself. So, yeah. He likes this. He also, his new favorite mac and cheese to microwave is the mac and cheese Kraft Deluxe Original Cheddar. Yeah. So 4-pack of those. And I don't make my own gravy. I never did learn. It's never too late, but this is our go-to gravy. So this is the Southeastern Mills Peppered Gravy Mix. I love the peppered one. So does my husband. So I got 2 of those. Can items. I grabbed a can of green beans, a can of peas from Great Value. I still do have peas and green beans in the cabinet, but after this new meal plan, I'm going to need at least a can of one of each for some meals. And then I like to stock my cans at Save-A-Lot. So when I do Save-A-Lot, I usually do a bunch of cans. At Walmart, not so many cans. Great Value Chunk Light Tuna. I have a box of cheesy tuna pasta in the cabinet that I need to make one night. And I needed tuna. Then we got these Armour Chicken Vienna sausages. These are good for, you know, snacking every once in a while. The chicken one is our favorite. A couple straggler items I just found. The Hamburger Helper Stroganoff Box Dinner. Connor's favorite is the tuna. And mine and John's, we really like the Stroganoff or the cheeseburger one. And I haven't made Hamburger Helper in a while. So, Hamburger Helper Stroganoff. Got 1 box of that. And then for also easy dinners, I have the Idahoan cheddar and sour cream instant potatoes. These are our favorite instant potatoes. They don't need any additional seasoning or anything like that. They just taste good right out of the package. And if you're in a pinch and you want quick meals, because some nights, some days, we need a quick meal. Okay. Picked up that. The last few items here. Great Value Creamy Peanut Butter. This is the 2-pound, 8-ounce jar. I got the large jar because we do eat quite a bit of peanut butter with crackers or peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So we like to snack on peanut butter. But I also like to make peanut butter cookies. Oatmeal cookies also take large amount of peanut butter. So I just went ahead and picked up the large jar today. Not the largest one they have, but I believe second to largest. So, peanut butter. And, of course, you can't make barbecue meatballs without grape jelly, and you can't have peanut butter and jelly sandwiches without grape jelly. So, from Great Value, we got the squeezable grape jelly. We really like that one. It spreads really easy. And, of course, barbecue for the barbecue meatballs and grilling out. The Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This is our favorite barbecue sauce. And lastly, I picked up the Great Value chocolate syrup. This chocolate syrup is for making chocolate milk. This is a request from Connor. He said he wants chocolate milk, so I picked this up. Typically, I either do Hershey's or this one, but when Hershey's went from $3 to $5, I just pick up the Great Value one now. Prices at the grocery store are out of control. And not shown, I did get a 40 count of the Great Value drinking water. That is everything that I picked up grocery-wise at Walmart today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional in the kitchen links, as well as the meal plan. Thank you so very much for watching.